You can't do that. It's a disgrace. Ollie needs to use the lawnmower 420 to find his ball, says Peter Lido. Greenwood. Oh! I told you! Just a moment of brilliance. A moment of brilliance from Greenwood. The generational talent. I tell you what, like an assassin's gun, he just doesn't miss. He's done it again. Mason Greenwood, moment of brilliance. There's something going on here. There's something going on here. I don't know what it's going on. Oh, please don't do it. Please don't do it. Please do not take it away. Generational talent. Moment of brilliance. As predicted, I think that they might chalk this out. They might chalk this out. Pogba's gone over the ball. I don't know. But Mason Greenwood, what a player. What a player. No, they've given it to Manchester United. It's not going to be chalked off. Ruben Neves wanted a foul. Oh, I hate VAR. It takes the moment out of it. No, he's given it 1-0 to Manchester.